Okay, question 9. In the 1908 Olympic Games, the Olympic marathon was lengthened from 40 kilometers to approximately 42 kilometers. Of the following, which is closest to the increase in the distance of the Olympic marathon in miles? Okay, so we see the increase, we went from 40 kilometers to 42. All right, it's getting longer by how many kilometers? The increase is 2 kilometers. Okay, but then I think the question says which one is the increase in distance in miles. So pretty much you have to do a unit conversion after that. All right, so I had to convert 2 kilometers to miles and to figure out how many miles is that. So what we could do is they give it the converting ratio, right? They said 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers. So we could just set up a proportion here, right? Say we have 1 miles. So let me write the units as well. So to keep things lined up, okay, we have 1 mile that's 1.6 kilometer like that. We can say then this ratio should be equal to, we have 2 kilometers, right, to work with. So we can put that on the bottom. And we want to figure out how many miles is that. So we'll say that's X miles. Okay, so the key to set up a proportion, we do unit conversions, is have to make sure on both sides the unit has a match, right? If we put miles on the top, both sides had to have miles on the top, and then here we put kilometer on bottom, so the other side had to match, right? We have kilometers on the bottom. Okay, so once everything matched up correctly, so it doesn't matter which one you put on the top or bottom, as long as they match on both sides, then it should be good. Okay, so we can pretty much just solve the proportion here, right? So when we solve, we can just ignore the unit. We get 1 over 1.6 equal to X over 2. Since we have fractions on both sides of the equation, we can go and do a cross multiply. So cross them over, 1.6x equal to 2. Okay, and then solve for X, we can divide by 1.6 on both sides. So X equal to 2 divided by 1.6. So let's just go and type in the calculator. This is 1.25. Okay, 1.25. So that's number of miles that we get. Okay, 1.25 miles. So answer choice B for question number 9.